Hey, welcome back PED 110 team. So this week we're hopping into Chapter 11, Stress Management. Take a quick look here now. This is our last chapter before the final exam. So this will be due on Tuesday, April 24th, and then your final exam is due on May 1st, okay, by 7 p.m. So we are really coming down the home stretch now. So with that being said, I encourage you to review the grades that have been posted. If there's any grades you're not happy with, go back and retake that assignment. I have everything open. You could go back and complete those assignments again. If you have a 0 on something and you complete that assignment, and I encourage you to, if you don't have a grade that you're happy with, then complete that assignment, but you'll have to email me because it won't update the zeros. It will update any other grade except 0. Okay, so if you retake an assignment or do an assignment that you overlooked or missed, just send me the email stating that you completed those assignments, because I want our grades. I want everyone, you should have an A or B in this class, no lower than a B at all. Okay, so with that being said, stress management. That's an area of our life where we all experience stress, and you can't eliminate it. Notice that it doesn't say stress elimination. It says, or stress removal necessarily, it says stress management. So we have to learn to manage the things that we allow to cause us stress, but then also manage our response to those stressors. And so that's what the book gets into. So this week you've got your checklist, this video, the PowerPoint, the quiz, your physical activity monitoring report, your labs. There's 2 parts to it, but again, they're just those surveys to help you self-monitor, become more self-aware of how you deal with stress and things that may be potentially causing you stress. So the one thing that's different this week is this final exam review. This is optional. Okay, now I need you to click on it, even if you don't intend to do it. Click on the link, because as most of you have figured out, and unfortunately some of you have not, that simply by clicking on the link for a lot of these things begins to fill your green bar. So click on the link so you get the green bar completely filled. That doesn't mean you have to do the assignment in this particular case. However, if you attempt the assignment, and notice I said attempt, not complete, because it is lengthy, but it's very similar to your final exam. If you attempt this final exam review, I will give you a 100 for this particular assignment, regardless of how well you did on it, but then also drop a lowest exam grade. Okay, and the exam grades are pretty hefty in weight because there was not many of them. We only have 4 total, I think. So that could be a real boost to your grade for this semester. All right, if you have any questions, shoot me an email as always. And again, the next time we speak, I'll be introducing or unlocking the final exam, which will be due on May 1st. Okay, so we are really at the end of things here. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Continue to do great work as we finish up, and email me if you have any questions. Take care.